guys. Welcome to today's YouTube live. All right, so sorry for the delay. We had to sort out one or two things. Okay, so I would like to confirm if everyone here connected can actually hear me very well. If you can hear me, you should indicate in the chat section quickly. All right. Okay, so we have testimony. Testimony can hear me. All right, so I told you guys that the network is going to be better by Sunday. All right, so look at us today. We're having a very fantastic clarity of sound and visuals. Okay, so last week was a bit messy, but we're able to achieve what we're supposed to achieve. And thank God that the network is better now. Okay, all right, so it's another wonderful time to be here with you guys to share deep insights into the forex market with you guys, analyze the markets, and assist you in getting better at your trading. Whether you're a professional trader or you're a newbie trader, whichever category of trader that you are, the weekly market review that we do on YouTube is to help you in your trading. All right, so no man is an island of knowledge, and there is no knowledge that is too little in when it comes to the skill of forex trading. Okay, so you need every knowledge that you can have access to enable you to get better at your trading. And when you get better at your trading, what comes out is you making profitable withdrawals. That's all that matters, and not you making a blown account withdrawals. Right? Unlike some persons, you guys have gotten such explanation before. You see someone that funded the $1,000 account and he blows it down to like $500. Then he withdraws $200 and posts on the status saying that Forex just paid me $200. That's a big fat lie from the pit of hell. And you see some persons, they'll be so anxious, like, guy teach me this thing, guy teach me this thing. You see some persons that just 1 week of learning from a structured academy like FS Media, what happens? They have opened academy, Forex Academy. Can you imagine? You will see $100, $200 charge, $150 academy fee. Very crazy. Well, that's their own problem. If you are faking it, the only issue, and it's so very bad that it's so very bad that you come up with such an idea to extort money from people. That's really bad. But anyway, that is your own problem, not my own problem. All right. So one thing I love about forex is that one thing I love about forex is that you don't need people to make money. The only person that you need is when you are still in of the process of learning the skill of forex. All right, but once you've gotten the skill, you don't need to refer people before you make money, except there's an opportunity created for that. What I mean is basically about forex trading. What you need is yourself, the knowledge in your head, your phone or your laptop, whichever one that is good to fly, you can actually as well use. So that's one beautiful thing about forex. It's not like before you see money in forex, you have to invite all your family members and your street members. Okay, so no, that's one thing I used to like on forex very well. And if you're connected to this call, you're new to this call that we are having. All right, so you got to hear what we are saying. I told you guys that it doesn't matter the category that you are, you have to just be connected to this live call. Remember I said as long as you are mingling with 5 billionaires, you end up becoming the sixth billionaire. If you are mingling with 5 millionaires, you end up becoming the sixth millionaire. So that's how it works. If you are mingling with bad guys, you end up becoming the next bad guy. That's how life actually works. Okay, so you coming under this umbrella, there's a rub off that is going to happen to you, in which you'll be seeing the effects gradually. That's why we have so much people anticipating this live YouTube live, because they understand the benefits that they have derived from the YouTube live stream that is for free. I got a couple of messages at exactly 9 o'clock. Say, boss, you have not started streaming. Boss, you have not started streaming. We are waiting for you. We are waiting for a lot of messages at 9 o'clock. like, wow, these are. All right, guys. Just change my network. So what's up? What's up? What's up? Hope we are good to fly. Hope we are good to fly. You guys should relax, relax. As this guy said, the Prince Emmanuel, make una calm down first. Relax, relax. I'm not going anywhere. We've not finished the class. You just network. You're already crying. Relax, calm down. So I believe we're actually good right now. We're good now. Okay. So let's proceed. All right, guys. So like I said, every YouTube live that we actually hold gives a lot of value to diverse categories of trader. It doesn't matter the category that you are at all. It doesn't matter. All that is important is that you make profitable withdrawals for yourself. All right. Okay. So if you've been attending if you're attending this YouTube live and you're actually still trading demo accounts, you should repent. FS Media has gone all out to bring an opportunity to ensure that everybody benefits. You know, everybody are profitable, everybody makes withdrawals for themselves by bringing in the funded program powered by 10 Trade. All right, so we went all out to bring such a package for you guys. Those of you that started out with FS Media 2 years ago, you already know the kind of person FS Media is always bringing an opportunity to everybody for everybody to get better. It doesn't matter your level. Now, the latest update was the $1,000 instant funded account where you don't need to pass evaluation before you make a profitable before you don't need to pass your evaluation before you can make withdrawal. So you just trade live and you make your withdrawals, get your 70% as long as you follow every rules as explained. So for the $1,000 account, it's the same rule that applies with every other account that I've already explained. I saw a message right now. Robert said, "Sir, I have funded my account, but you are not responding to my messages. So sorry about that. We have a lot of messages in our DM. So since what I want you to do right now is send me a message right after this live. Because if you send me a message now, before the live ends, your message would have gone down very well. So once we are done with the live, just send me a message on WhatsApp that this is Robert. If I actually save your number, it's supposed to pop up as Robert, so I remember you very well. So that's not a problem. If you have pending messages that I've not attended to and you're on this live, just send me a message right after this live and ensure that you send the message to the number that ends with 16. That's my personal line. That's the number I'm usually with. Okay, most of the time. All the phones are not always with me, but the one that is always in my hand most of the time is the number that ends in 16. Okay, so just do that as instructed. Hope everybody can hear me, but I'm seeing diverse complaints. Hope it's not an issue. Let me check on my own end. I don't want anybody to miss out of every benefit and explanations that I'll be giving out tonight. We are going to be reviewing the markets that we analyzed last week, a few of them, and as well dive into the one that we're going to get into, in which you have to actually be serious because it's this Easter week. You got to make money for Easter. You got to make money for Easter. So that's why I titled the Easter market review. So between Monday and Thursday, you should have made money for yourself. So that's when you're looking at the market that we are going to be making money from this Easter week. All right. So we can celebrate Jesus Christ on Sunday. Even if you're a Muslim, it doesn't matter. You can always withdraw profits for yourself. All right. Okay, I'm coming. Let me check my device and see how the network is. So once I confirm the reply, okay, it's clear, it's clear. I just check my device, it's very clear. So we don't have an issue. So if you are having network issues from your own end, I just check this network strength is actually very full, it's green. So if you're having any network issues, actually from your own side. Okay, Obilugu says, sir, I've registered with your promo code. Not a problem. If you register, you fund your account. You know what? Sorry, you buy an account. You know what it is. Very cheap. So, like, if you're just joining, I said something very, 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 very. Okay. All right. I think I just saw one of my staff. He said, "This is Quitek. I'll be here for your complaint." Beautiful. All right. So, like I said earlier, FS Media always go all out to bring opportunities that everybody can actually benefit from. It doesn't matter your category. You understand that there are people that their hands are not so strong. They can do the $1,000 instant funded account. The same category can as well do $3,000 evaluation account. If you are strong very well, you can do the 10K. You can do the evaluation or the instant funded account for 10K or 30K or 90K or 270K. But I'm looking forward to a point where I want it to happen before the how many more? Let me say in this second quarter that we're entering, I want it to happen that we have a lot of people trading a 10 trade pop account of nothing less than 90,000 US dollars. Or let me just say, worst case scenario, 30,000 instant funded accounts. That is where I'm looking at for. That's where I'm looking at for a lot of you guys. Nothing less than a $30,000 instant funded account. Or on a worst case scenario, like on the worst one, is a $10,000 instant funded account. That is where I'm looking at for a lot of you. Because the more capital that you have in your hand, the better for you. You understand? Just small 10 pips can give you like a $500 or $200, depending on your account size that you use. But those 10 pips, when you are trading with small capital, it just give you maybe $10 chicken money to make so much sense. But you understand that when you have access to a large capital, just little percent you are on soft already. Imagine trading with a one standard lot and you just move 10 pips. Oh no, everywhere will be oh my god, that's like $100, 10 pips. Sharp $100, that's like 140 something thousand and someone's salary in like 4 days. And it's easier to get 10 pips in the market. So you see the benefit of actually trading a large account. The benefit is massive. Okay, so look forward to that. But first and foremost, ensure that you have learned how to trade. And if you're looking for an opportunity to learn how to trade, FS Media offers that opportunity. Maybe you are new right here, or you've been trading, or you're under a mentorship, whichever way, you have the account right there, and ensure you use FS Media promo code. And not just that, what other opportunity did I give to you guys? I gave you guys a free signal. Normally, you are supposed to subscribe for the signal. You know that you're supposed to subscribe for what? The signal. Yeah, people subscribe signal $50, $100, $150, but what happened? Free. All of you know that, many of you know that FX Media and free things are like this, 5 and 6. You give out a lot of free things, free accounts. It choke normal. Why? Because FX Media itself have made so much money in the market. And not just make so much money in the market. It is the kind of person that I am. You understand? The kind of person that I am, okay? So you have so many traders who are wealthy, you not even see 1 naira from their pocket. You will not see 1 naira or 2 naira. You wouldn't even say anything. But it's my own choice actually. So you get a funded account, then you are added to a free signal room. You are not subscribing anything. So when there is a signal, I drop it. and you understand that not every signal that goes our direction, but try as much as possible that the signal provided will have more profits to cover for our losses. Okay, so that is it. Look at the trades we actually looked into this week, and actually went our direction. And then I dropped one signal, one powerful one that went so well, which is the NZDJPY. Now we're going to be looking at it as well and see how the market reacted and dumped, so that we can all get better at our trading and see other opportunities to benefit from. Okay. Um, Please, I'm a beginner. How can I open my account? I've been asking these questions in the inbox, but no response. If you're a beginner, leave the account for now. Just focus on learning. Opening an account is not a problem, okay? Just focus on learning. All right, learning the right way. Just follow every mentorship that I give to you, okay? All right. So, boss, I've registered for the 3K evaluation account. I'm waiting to join the 400 traders signal. Okay, Babatunde, I think I remember you. Babatunde Musa now, right? Musa, I think I remember you. So I'll attend to all those messages. Like I said, if you have pending messages that I've not replied to, right after this call, you send those messages or drop a notification, maybe a question mark or something that will make me see the message pop up, so I can treat it as right after the live. Okay, so we can carry everybody along. You need to as well PTFS with them for handling a lot of people at the same time. So if you see us posting is a normal thing. It's something that has to be posted normal. But replies, we're taking our time to answer people. All right. So what about people that have opened 10 trade account before without your promo code? Well, for that solution, what you need to do, if you opened 10 trade account without using promo code, but you used our link, there's no problem about that. But if you do not use our link at all, you just open directly from the website, you have to start up customer care and tell them that you want to be under FX Media. That's just it, and they'll sort it out for you. Okay. Um, what else again? Oh, yeah, I'm saying something. I said, boss, let me be your co-worker. Don't worry, I'm employing a lot of people gradually, just so that we employed somebody last week. Last week we employed somebody. So the team is expanding. And who are the team? Well, obviously picking one or two persons from the academy. Someone who I have trained by myself. So most of not even most, everybody you see in FS Media thing that I posted, all of them I taught them Forex and I'm still teaching them Forex. They are all my mentees. So always pick when when there's a job opportunity, you don't take it outside the house, you bring it into the house. That is how it is. If you are in a church and happen to be that you have a job opportunity, who will first of all hear? The brethren in the church. That is how it works. So same thing in FS Media family. Is that an opportunity in joining FS Media team? I'll post it on my status, and 90 something percent of people that view my status are from FS Media. That is just the reality of life. So then, if you are, if you have studied to show that self-approved and the Holy Spirit push through to you based on you pass the interview and everything, will get you involved as well. So, but that's not a problem. FS Media team is going to expand very well, and that's not a problem. There are different departments in FX Media. We have the funded trader department, we have the admin department, we have the secretarial department, we have the media department, we have I think the PA department. So several department coming up, and it's going to be massive. So you can look forward to that. But for now, equip yourself and get yourself very better at trading and make money. You won't go last. So when the first media calls for a team meeting, you're seeing different people coming in their Rolls Royce, coming in their Lamborghini, coming in their Ferrari, coming in their Benzo, coming in their Lexus. That kind of thing. They'll be wondering, is there a party right here? No, it's just a team meeting. You just want to analyze the market. You understand? You feeling me, right? So that is how we roll, guys. So you look forward to that. It's going to definitely happen. And I told them that is going to happen very soon. But you got to put in the required work for you to attain such a wonderful limelight. Okay. So, guys, let's dive right into the markets that we looked into last week, which I think the first one is yeah, we actually analyzed GBPUSD, and GBPUSD dribble somebody, okay, but we didn't drop a signal on it. All right, so if you guys were in the live market review last week Sunday, you remember this analysis right here, okay? Remember this analysis? I said, okay, the market will go two ways. It comes up here. If it is going to break out, then we test and go up. But what happened? The market dropped. Let me use pen to explain it very well so you understand. this, creating a double top. Hey, Jesus. See what network don't do my thing. All right, so why are we talking about this? They created a double bottom, a double top rather, and dragged the market downward to this point. So there was no entry for us at that point. We didn't take that trade. So that's what happened in GBP USD currently. And let's check the overall trend of the market. All right. GBP USD, we have market currently at this level. You get your funded account. Something crazy is coming up again. Very, very crazy. So we have this right here. Now, based on what I've taught you guys about double bottom, this is an example of a double bottom that is gradually forming here. It formed here. So there's a, hold on. There's a Elijah said FS media all with small letters. Yes, small letters. All with small letters. All right, so I expect market to come up to this place, okay? But based on the fact that market closed on Friday, markets will want to, do some shakara, some paparazzi to get itself before moving forward, all right? And I told my team that you see the second quarter is going to be very crazy. This second quarter is an opportunity for you to make a lot of money for yourself. And FS Media is going all out. You're going to be seeing crazy withdrawals from FS Media. And as well, you guys, crazy. Anybody that wants to be left behind, that's your own problem. I'm telling you that on this second quarter that we're entering, in case you don't know what second quarter means, second quarter actually means um, January, February, March is the first quarter of the year. We have April, May, June. That's the second quarter of the year. So this second quarter is going to be fantastic. So I said you're going to be seeing massive and crazy withdrawals from FS Media, and you too. I expect you to follow the same way, because the market I'll be trading is the same market I'll be sharing with everybody on YouTube, on the personal group, or the mentorship group. Normally, the mentorship group will get more of the benefits anyway. So because they are mentorship, that's a mentorship. So there's a difference between mentorship and having a general life review. Okay, so but due to the fact that markets closed on Friday, so what was going to happen is I'm going to add GBP USD to our watch list, and we observe what's going to happen. So add it to your watch list. So let's go to the next one that we actually made a couple of profits from, good profits, which is the NZDJPY, guys. That signal I gave, I used my phone. I use my phone to give that signal. So if you're thinking that your phone, that you need a system before you can make money, no. Okay, all right. So this was the signal I actually dropped. I said when market break out of this trend line, we are going to buy. So and it did. I sent the signal. Market bought up to this place, up to this place. So basically, the target profit was here, supposed to get to this place, but it rejected right here. So person wey smart, normal, trade have already hit TP1, TP2, or you are trailing stop loss. You're already in good profit before markets even retrace down like this. Remember, I'm on a 4 hours time frame. If I go to lower time frame, you see how massive the market bought, which you made a lot of profit from. Now let's go to lower time frame so you can see what I'm talking about. I'll go to 15 minutes time frame. This is what I'm talking about. This is the breakout here. Look at how massive the market went up to this top. A lot of money was made right there. Fantastic, all right? So before market start to drop down, normally when you buy from here, you'll be like TP1, here TP2, here TP3, all right? Before it's trying to get to TP4, okay? So, but markets are rejecting right there. if we get to check why the market start rejecting right here, there's no reason. It's just normal thing that market manipulators do. You understand? But you as a smart trader, you have been trailing your stop loss. That is using your break even to trail your stop loss. Okay, so that whenever you get stopped out, you are stopped out in profit. You know you can get stopped out in profit and stopped out in loss. You can get stopped out in profit. All right. So that's what actually happened. Okay, so right now that we have NZDJPY retrace back to that level at um which market actually broke out from, which is this level. This is a very interesting level. Okay, very interesting level. So based on the fact that market closed right here, now I'm still looking out for buying opportunities. Yeah, I'm still looking out for buying opportunities. So you too as well should look out for buying opportunities. Remember what I always say, that we don't control the forex markets, we only speculate and see when we have confirmed confluence. But right now there's no confirmed confluence. Once it gives us a confirmed confluence, what are we looking at? We are looking at market to come here. And once market comes to this level, what are the things are we looking at? We are looking at bullish confirmation, that is buying confirmation. Just as all these levels right here, there was a bullish rejection, bullish rejection, bullish rejection, double bottom right here. So you can see these are signs that push market up. So now we're expecting a sign right here that we're going to now ride the trend upward. This one is going to be massive as long as news does does not affect it. So it's going to be massive. So network one. All right, guys. So we're back. Okay, I was saying something very important. I said that we're looking for we are looking for a confirmation that is a bullish rejection right here, and we get to ride the trend upward to this level. Okay, so if we have a confirmed confirmation, trust me, if you hold this trade from what if you have a confirmation by Monday and you hold this trade from Monday to like Wednesday or Thursday, come on, you make good money. Only one trade can give you amazing profits. Those of you that are trying to pass evaluation, only this trade can even give you profit self, good profit to pass your evaluation. But let's hope and believe that market will give us our confidence and final confidence in which we are expecting at this level. Okay, if it gives us, cool. If it doesn't, we move on to the next. So that is the NZDJPY. So we're still looking out for buying opportunities because the buy is not done. Okay. Remember that strategy I taught you guys, that when you have market rally up with speed, you expect a corresponding sell. Or same in pari passu, same thing for sell. If you have market rally down, you expect a corresponding rally up. You understand? So I've taught you guys that strategy over time. So normally when you are seeing market just going up, they switch you. So that's the important why you need to be putting your trailing stop to control, to ensure that okay, market start going down, I'll be stopped out in profit. You understand? So this just prove the strategy that I've always taught you guys. And once you see market just rally up with speed, you expect a sudden rally down. Same thing goes in pari passu for sell. All right, that's NZDJPY for this past week. So let's look at what we actually saw in the market today, which we're looking out for. I was going to add it to our conferences. All right, so let's look at GBPJPY. I'm going to be looking at GBPJPY. All right, guys. Okay, is it we said daddy ride on? All right, so I'm going to ride on. Let's go and look at GBPJPY. If you are new here and all these things looking like Chinese to you, don't worry about that. Just stay among the gathering of millionaires. All right. So I so much love this GBPJPY. When I saw it, when I was checking out markets to teach you guys tonight, it was just giving me sweet vibes, sweet one. But just believing that there is no stupid fundamental that will come and scatter our analysis. Or if there's going to be a very fundamental, let it go in line with the technicals. All right. So this GBPJPY is just giving a sweet, 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 sweet feeling. So let's pay undivided attention. Some of you that are already good in trading, that have trained, you already seen the picture right here. What I'm actually talking about. The reason why it is sweet. All right. So we have GBPUSD in a very serious uptrend. All right, a very very serious uptrend. Okay, and obviously be looking for opportunities to buy the market. All right, so let's go down to a lower time frame because what this kind of strategy that we use is what we call a top-down analysis. I believe everybody knows that already. Top-down analysis, except you are new. FS Media, one of FS Media strategies is what we call top-down analysis, where we start to analyze from higher time frame, see the clearer picture, then come down to lower time frame to see where we can enter for intraday trading or swing trade. All right, because the higher time frame controls the lower time frame. There's a lot of noise that fool the lower time frame. That is why you don't get to find FS Media enter trade at 5 minutes. Very difficult that you see me enter trade at 5 because too much noise food here based on the kind of strategy that I trade. I'm not saying 5 minutes is not good. 5 minutes is good depending on the strategy. But for my strategy based on I don't want to see so much noise. I want to have a confirmed confluence that okay, yes, it don't be like say you get one very dark black man, you know, on 15 minutes time frame. You know, say this one back. It go hold on for buy. It go hold on, you understand? Than having dwarf, those 7 dwarfs that you have in Cinderella, those dwarfs, you have them in 5 minutes. It's looking somehow. You don't have so much confidence than when you come up to higher time frame like 15 minutes or 30 minutes to get your entry. So okay, now it's not like very dark black man. So okay, all right, so this is cool, this is cool. Your mind goes strong. So me, I don't like noise. I don't like noise in the market. So I like clarity. If you notice, that's why I most of the time I squeeze my charts so that I want to see it. Like I want to see the trend. I want to see where it's going or where it's not going. You understand? St. Bryce said it seems like Chinese joined in. Just relax, don't worry. You just focus on learning. As a focus on learning for your own category. Or if you're not enrolled in the academy, ensure that you enroll for yourself so you can understand what we're doing very well. A lot of people have gotten better in their trades as a result of this YouTube life after they have gone through a structural foundation in FS Media training. All right. So those that have given you guys the opportunity to learn from FS Media. All right. So you're under that mentorship, that umbrella. All right. That helps you to get better and better and better. MA say Abido Shaker is active. Bolariwa Kunduz. You say listen guys, I beg Kunduz the listing guys, or this listing guys don't plenty. They don't plenty well. All right guys, let's go. So now we're on the 1 hour time frame. Let's get plotting. Let's plot. So we can see where market created a series of higher lows. And this is very perfect because it connects right here 1, connects right here 2, connects right here 3, then connects right here 4. And this is a breakout from here based on the 1 hour time frame. We are seeing a breakout from this level. A breakout from this level. Like this, it went up, create a double top. No, I've taught you that about double top, how effective it is. Create a double top, then sold down to this region, now to this trend line. Now, based on what I'm saying, let's go to 30 minutes time frame. On this level, hold on this level right here, you can see a couple of indecision candlestick and as well bullish candlestick. Okay, let me expand. Now we can see indecision candlestick, which is spinning top. You can see bullish candle, which is the hammer. You can see a little spinning top. Maybe you can call it doji. The hammer, then bullish engulfing, bullish candle, then bearish. Okay, so they are mixed. So, but basically, since it's on the trend line, that's why it's actually giving that kind of vibes. So let's go to lower time frame. All right, so lower time frame of a 30 minutes time frame. So we are having this, so not so clear. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. All right, now this is how I'm going to enter this market. We have a retracement like this, right? Yeah, then we have a consolidation in this box. This is a consolidation box. Now, what is going to give me my entry? Once we have market break out of this box to the upside, hold on. As it breaks out of this box to the upside, then we trace, then I can find my bullish candle to ride up. Okay, so one of the my target and profits for my swing will be at this level at which market rejected. But don't forget that we don't control the forex market. So if market decides not to go up and it decides to break down, like this, so we'll have to start observing the market. But we're looking at this market for in the direction for a buy. Okay. Direction for a buy. All right. So once it gives us that confirmation, me I go knock on better lot. That's for me. Once I have my confirmation for buy completely, go knock on better lot. All right. So you have GBPJPY. Everybody put it to your chart, your watch list. Okay. So like I said, if you don't have a confirmation for buy, then we'll see where the market wants to go to. Okay, so we're just speculating. Once we have our conferences, we take our trade. That's how it works. So that's more reasons why you need to be in the forex traders group. Okay, so you can have more of these benefits. And for the WhatsApp channel we created, if you are not there, connect this app. If you are not on the free Telegram link, free Telegram group, we drop some setups once in a while there and some signals once in a while. That's the free and some educational content right there. Okay, so you can search FS Media Trading Community on Telegram, then you can join for yourself. It's a free community. Then if you want to find a trader group, you know what to do. Don't forget to sign up with FS Media link or use our promo code FS Media 28 in small letter, all joined together. In small letter, all joined together. Don't make any silly mistake, okay? So there's no time. This second quarter, everybody that's been connecting to this life, you must make money. You must make money, except you are just new. Even if you are new, you must make money. Must by fire by force, because you have April, May, June. Even if it's June you start making money, or May you start making money. It's possible even inside April you can start making money. It depends on your seriousness and your dedication. If you take me as your mentor, teacher, and your coach, definitely you start seeing results. You have a couple of people that says results almost immediately, but what you need to do, remember that I said first, you get rich scheme. So probably you can start making for your first $10 to your maybe your first $50, depending on your capital size, or your $1 or $100 in a week, or $200 in 2 days. It all depends on your capital size and the level of knowledge you have in your brain, how serious you can be. Okay, so that is what I'm looking at for GBPJPY. So add it to your watch list, guys. Adewale said, "Go hard or go home." Hey, I put a song inside my head. Go hard or go home. That's nice. All right, so the market we're going to be looking at next is AUDCAD. Let's go, guys. Come on. Got to print money this Easter week. Got to have a wonderful Easter week ahead of us. Okay. This was part of our analysis last week. Part of our analysis last week. So let's go to D1 and see what's up. Okay. So we have a major trend line on D1. So we go to 4 hours time frame. So we have market but rejecting off of this trend line, double bottom right here, double bottom right here. So since we have a double bottom on the major trend line of the daily time frame, what is likely going to happen? We're going to likely going to have more buys, but let's see where we can enter for a buy now on the 1 hour time frame. All right. There's no clear picture right here. On AUD, sorry, on AUDCAD, no clear picture right here. So if I'm going to buy, there'll be a temporary sell down to this trend line and see where we can ride. But let's go to 30 minutes and see what's happening right there. Okay, there's no clear picture right here, but during the week we are going to, there will be signals that will be popping up, good setup that are popping up. So for the fact that we drop the watch list on a Sunday market review does not mean that that's all what we'll be trading during the week. There are signals that could still pop up based on setups that are already ready. They are done, they don't done, or they are about to done. You get, many of you have noticed that in the Further Traders group where we analyze 3 pairs on Sunday market review and maybe ended up trading one for that week. Then other ones that we traded are outside. You understand? But we already have a guide as to that's what we are looking at in the Forex market. Then during the week, we'll see more setups that we can actually come up with. So what's going to happen? Like a normal tradition, I'm going to pick one pair that you guys suggest the most. I'm not going to pick 2 this night. I'll just pick one. One, suggest what pair do you want us to look into. Please suggest pair that you see a potential signal. Suggest pair that you see a potential signal ASAP. UOJPY, UOJPY. I've analyzed GBPUSD already now. So UOJPY is the most common one. All right, so let's take UOJPY. I've told you guys about gold that if you have not made it in life in trading, don't trade gold. If you have not made it in life, don't trade gold. Okay, I've told you that there are many pairs you can make money from. Okay, so that, but if you're a big guy already, no problem, trade gold, enjoy your life. Because if you have not made money, gold will actually ruin your psychology a little bit. If you have made money in trading, cool, you can trade gold. When you're starting out, don't yes, take it from a certified mentor. So we have UOJPY to be the one that is UOJPY to be the one that is most common. So let's check it out. Last time we traded UOJPY, market went our direction and smashed our TP. Wonderful. So let's go to higher time frame and see what you guys actually saw. Wow. I think this is cool. This is cool. Let's go to D1. Okay. This is D1. All right. Okay, let's go to 4 hours time frame back. Let's see what we can do right there. Okay, so we have a breakout right here from our initial target profit that smashed TP. Breakout, then we have a retracement back to this zone. Now, nice suggestion, guys. So you can add this to our watch list because it's having a good potential. Let's see the kind of candlestick that are forming right there. Let's plot our trend line. Since there's a temporary trend line on these 4 hours. Okay, go hard or go home. If the trend line no connect, no force am, just connect as seen. All right. Okay, so go to 1 hour. Nothing clear. All right, so 15 minutes, 30 minutes time frame. I think we have this, all right. So the only way that we are going to trade this by, for me, based on what I'm saying, is if we have market take out this level, this resistance level. How? How do I mean? Fine and good. We're having rejections right here. Rejections. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame and see what's there. We're having rejections right here. Rejections. So the only way we're going to buy this market, for me, is when I have a very confirmed entry. Like what? When we have market take out this level and come back to the test. That is created a new high. What do I mean the level? This level. It takes out this level right here. Up, come back, I find my bullish candlestick to write my buys. But for now, I'll just pay attention to the market so you don't get trapped inside the market. It's a good setup. Nice suggestion, guys. That's a fantastic one. First of all, we confirm the trend, which the trend is bullish trend. All right, so we have market. We did an impulse move and currently on a retracement. So then market closed on candlesticks that that are ranging. Okay, you're having mixture of the bearish candle, the indecision candles, and the bullish candle. You're having mixtures of them right here. So, but when the markets open and settle on Monday, so we're looking at the market. Well, it's already 10:02, so market is already open. But based on our trading style, we allow market to settle. Then Monday, there is the London session, there is the New York session to trade, as well as the Asian section. But basically, we allow market to settle around London session. So then New York session, if there's a signal, we take our trade. But there's no signal, we wait till Tuesday and we take our trade. So that's how we roll. We don't rush it. We allow the market to come to us. We don't chase the market. You understand? We allow it come to us. Let it come and meet our confirmations, our confluences that we are looking out for. And once it happens, then we go all in with our full chest and not with small chest. You understand? So that's how we roll. If you miss a signal, don't beat yourself up. There will always be an opportunity to enter in a trade. There will always be signals popping up. Okay, always be signal popping. So don't beat yourself up. Don't FOMO. FOMO. If you don't know the meaning of FOMO, FOMO means fear of missing out. I had a student that was telling me about a signal I dropped. I was already running profit. I was like, "Boss, should he enter?" I said, "He said we enter." I said, "Ah." Be like say you want FOMO. I be no FOMO. Just relax, relax. Signal no dey run. Relax. Okay, so don't FOMO into your trade. So you add UJPY to the trade to your watch list. I'm gonna put it to my notepad. Okay, sharp UJPY. I'm not doing USD. Those of you that suggested it, I'm not doing it. Okay. Okay. Um, God, I beg, help me understand this. The way I'm confused now, here of 15 minutes, 30 minutes, I don't understand the meaning. I said something very important. I said something. I said that if you're a newbie here, okay, obviously you will not understand. I don't expect you to understand because you're a newbie. I just want you to be in the environment of good traders. You understand? I've taught you guys the principle of what rub-off can do. Okay, just sit in class and observe. That's all. Then you now focus on your own learning so that you can come up to the standard at which you are treating right here. You understand? That is it. Okay, that is it. You see that there is a lot for you to learn. Okay, that's why you need to follow the structural way. Okay, look at Steven. Say, "Yo, guys, calm down." So you can see that one is a good guy. Samuel Ko to a professional trader, Alfred professional trader. Many of them right here, Prince. There are a mixture of people in this class, not a problem at all. So this YouTube live, we don't actually we do it in a professional way. You understand? We analyze the markets using the naked chart of the market, okay, and top-down analysis, which has proven itself to be one of the best strategy in the world. This says, "Sir, you too much. Make $100 in 2 days." Sorry, $800. $800 is even small money. Who is this person suggesting GBPUSD? Okay, you come late with that. We don't do GBPUSD for the big. That was the first pair we started with. Aruba Okay. We started out already. William said, "Which one come the 15 minutes time frame, the 30 minutes time frame again?" I've said this thing before. Williams, you did not put foam inside your ear, abi? You didn't put foam inside your ear. I was very clear few minutes ago about if you are a newbie connecting to this call, relax. I understand that you may not understand what you are doing right here. So I've taught you guys the principle of rub off. I allowed you to be in this call so you can rub off with, developing this rub off with professional traders so that you too can become a professional trader as time goes on. You understand? Okay. Why you as well work on being in your own learning forex structurally from FX Media. Okay, there are classes for newbies. Focus on that. If I'm currently teaching you, okay, just focus on the learning and follow every instructions. Let me tell you something. I'm seeing a quite a number of persons right here who are actually very successful in the past 1 year, less than 1 year, 2 years. They are here, see on this call, they are making money. About three persons I've seen right here. I have Emmanuel that I've seen, I have Anthony, I have Peter. These three persons they bought a car using Forex profits. No joke. Then I have another guy right here that I saw. I guess he's not on this call. Maybe network is disturbing him. That one bought two lands. The one of the other land is building house on it already. So much testimony. Is it the one that bought his dream phone? The one that has rented his apartment? So much testimony. We have a couple of students who are paying school fees by themselves now. Unlike before that they begging people up and down or begging uncle or yeah, and everybody get problems. So you don't need to beg. You need to work out your own way of making money for yourself. All right. So now they are paying school fees. But if you are yet to do stuff with Forex money, don't beat yourself up. What you just need to do is to push yourself harder for you to be in that category where you can sort out your problems. There is a whole lot of money in Forex trading. The market that trades $6.6 trillion per day. Come on. It's not a market to joke with. So money day to reach everybody. No play with them, okay? Money day. But you just need to follow the right way to learn. If it's capital is no longer the problem anymore. All right. But during our own time, we struggle really hard because we didn't have capital very well. We're just funding $1,000, $500, $2,000, $3,000, $100, this kind of money, $5,000. But now we can trade $30,000, $50,000, $100,000 prop account. So you can imagine. So capital is not the problem. So those of you that are hiding behind capital, say, I don't get capital now. Why not that we do it? I don't get that we do it. Okay. Now they have given you capital. What are you doing? You are blowing it. So they stop blowing it. Unlearn to learn the right way. Okay. All right. I think that's a couple of information that I've communicated. So right about now, we have time to take questions. If you have questions based on forex trading, you can drop. I'll just pick a couple of one. I believe Kunduz have been answering you guys so far, so good. If you have a direct question, please go straight to the point and ask reasonable questions. Okay. So I'll just pick one or two so we can actually end the live call. So this will be the first time we actually had the YouTube live and we're closing very early. I try to work with time because you understand that time is money and people are going to work in the morning. Unlike us, that Mondays are resting day. On Monday, I wake up 10, 11. You should work towards being in that direction. The moment you start doing that, know that you have arrived to a certain level, that you're already making money, good money. Mondays that is usually people's day of work. That is my resting day. I rest and wake up 10, 11. That's when I get to post status. And I never forget my scriptural Bible posts every Monday. I know they forget. That's the first thing I post on a Monday morning when I wake up. 10, 11. That's when I wake up. Max 12. Even at 12 said, my head would pay myself. I would not to sleep. So 10, 11, I don't stand up. Okay. So now if you're doing 9 to 5 jobs, please focus on doing something cool like Forex. Okay, work very hard and work very, very hard. I said something to you guys that don't quit your job for Forex. The only way you quit your job for Forex is when Forex has start paying you 3 times, nothing less than 2 or 3 times of your monthly salary monthly. At least must have paid you 3 months consecutively before you can quit your job. So don't just quit your job and start waiting for a snow. You'll be frustrated, trust me. Except you're already rich. Maybe you are middle class, cool. You can quit your job. But if you are still struggling, I want to quit your job because you struggle. No, if you are thinking, my job doesn't give me time for Forex, you are lying to yourself. Let me bust your bubbles. 24 hours is very enough for every individual in the world. So if it's the same 24 hours that Elon Musk became the richest man. Jeff Bezos as well. Bill Gates as well. So guys, there is nothing. 24 hours is very enough. If you say my work doesn't give me time, it doesn't give you time, but you have time to sleep. I've told you guys this thing. You have time to sleep at night, and that sleep at night, at least you sleep 5 hours, even if it's 4 hours or 6 hours, 7 hours. Sacrifice some minutes and do your forex or maybe 1 hour, or even during the days. There's one particular time, as long as you are using your phone. If you are doing WhatsApp and you are part of those people that complain that my job does not give me time, you're not serious. Because the time you spend on your WhatsApp, if you carry that same energy and put on your MetaTrader 5, you will have results, much more results. Except your WhatsApp, you are making money from your WhatsApp. Maybe you sell something online or so. But that doesn't mean, okay, but as long as you're opening your phone or you're opening your WhatsApp, there's no excuse that my job doesn't give me time. But you can open your WhatsApp to toast one babe or follow up on one babe. Please, but the 1K account does 5%, 8% don't applies. Yes, it's 6% and 9% that applies. I have told you guys that the $1,000 account has the same rules with the other account that I explained in the how to pass your 10 trade evaluation account. That video I made. In case you want to understand how the pop account works, I already made a video on it on our YouTube channel. So go there and watch it. How to pass your 10 trade pop account. And as well, if you don't know how to deposit and withdraw, I made a video on that. And for the info on $1,000 account, I made that. All right. So now, a very important information I need to communicate to you guys. Now, there's something amazing that's going to happen. So I want to just leak something out for you guys. So I want you guys to engage very, very well in this week. When I mean engage on our social media platforms well in this week. Engage well. You get why? Most especially Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Yeah, those three most importantly. Then you can add any other one like TikTok or so, but these three are very important. Telling you, I'm giving you cheats now. Cheat, I'm giving you. I just opened the bag small. Engage very well on our posts for this week. Even after the production, but this week in particular, engage well. Share, like, comment. Engage doesn't cost anything. Just do it. So first media that I know how to do our own thing, normal. So I'm just giving you guys that. So if you know somebody that's supposed to do that, tell the person. Charles is saying check GBP card. Waiting do am. Make I check am first. I'll just permit that. If nothing is there, I will exit it this time. If nothing is there, I will knock your head. I will give you online knock. Okay. Based on what I can see, I'm seeing a rejection, but it's not certain. It's not too certain. This level here. Now, market just opened and it opened up with a gap. All right. So one of the rules, one of the tips that I taught you guys about gap trading is that when you have market give gap, market will still do a market correction, correcting that gap. So you can trade with correcting that gap, but I'm not advising that. I'm just telling you cheat on that. So market just opened here, drop to this point. So it doesn't really have something to look at very well, but we'll still put it on our watch list a little. We'll put it anyway. So if you don't see an opportunity to just sell small, you can sell. All right, I think that'll be all for now. If there's any other, just say, are you using smart money concept or price action? I use both actually. Liquidity or volatility in forex means money. No. The chances, okay, means money. The chances of making you gain in the markets. Yeah. Which other one do we have? Please, boss, please answer me. The instant funding, which position and lot size can we be using and time frame also? so that we won't go against the drawdown rule. Okay, so it depends on the instant funded account that you are using. It can be your $3,000 or your $10,000 or your $1,000. You have to know the lot size that you're using for that. Let me just give you an example. If you're trading a $3,000 account, you should be using a lot size that ranges from 0.05 to 0.1. That range. So it still falls under the consistency rule. You using a lot size from 0.05 to 0.1, it still falls under that consistency rule, or at most 0.15. Okay, 0.15 is almost at 0.2. So that range of 0.05 to 0.15. So that's the range that complies with the consistency rule. Then I just give an example for your $3,000 account. So your $10,000 account has its own lot size. So check out your daily drawdown and your overall drawdown is very important. Please and please don't try to break your daily drawdown rules. E.g., your $3,000 account has a $180 daily rule. So don't hit a $180 in minus one. If you hit it, you have lost the account. All right. So I've explained all those factors before. Sir, you say something about double top. I'm confused. How does it work? All right. You say it's enroll in the class. It's a topic of its own, so you can learn. I can't start explaining it now. No matter how I explain it, your brain will scatter. Please, is the time has changed? London and New York session. It has changed. Just 1 hour difference change. I thought the lot size you use depends on the amount you are willing to lose. Yes, yes, that one to follow. People opening more than one in a particular pair. Wetin do am? You can open more than one position now, but it shall has to fall under what you are risking and the good lot size for your consistency rule. Since I wish I had joined the class since it doesn't matter anyway, so you just ensure that you don't miss the opportunity you have right now. Sir, please, how much do you recommend a newbie to start with? Well, you can be a newbie that is a rich man. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's your own level of pocket anyway that you can start with. Your level of pocket you can start with. But please, is there discount in your VIP class? There should be discount anyway. Just send me a message. Hope we can watch this after now. Sure, Hurricane, Mr. Hurricane. Yeah, you can watch this after now. It's going to be made available on our channel, our YouTube channel. So if you are yet to follow, subscribe to our YouTube channel, ensure that you do that ASAP. Subscribe ASAP, turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any content that we're dropping. All right, so we're going to be dropping some amazing content in the second quarter to come. In the second quarter to come, we're going to be dropping amazing content. So, like 2 weeks now, we've just been doing straight live, straight live. So there's a particular content I want to drop as well. So what we're going to be doing is that at least in 1 week, we should have like 2 contents before a live. So that's going to help you very, very well. Massive content. We were actually doing that before last year. We're dropping some amazing content. How I made $1,500. The secret to the market, blah blah, different amazing topics and so on. So we're resuming that, but it's going to be better, interesting, fantastic, and it's going to change your life forever. Okay, so Sam Z Forex said, is it good to trade a $10 account? Guy, if I say no one blue, which one be $10 account? You don't have a big picture. What are you doing with a $10 account? You're supposed to have a big picture. Don't do $10 account, man. Don't do that. It's not like you can't trade $10, but I don't need you to start having pictures of $10. Start visualizing something cool. But don't visualize unrealistic goals. Remember that. Boss, lay your anointed hands on me so I can make millions and speak in tongues like you. Don't worry, your hands is already laid on you. As long as you're connected to a first media, you have that grace to function and make a lot of money for yourself. Is it possible to get a funded account? I will be speaking Latin since it's very possible now. How do I get funded to, sir? If you have not learned Forex, focus on learning Forex. Okay, so we have which is better, SMC or price action? Well, people have asked me this question several times, SMC or price action. Well, now we have diverse strategies in trading. Okay, so but what is important is that, are you making money? The strategy that you're using, are you making money? Not just making money, are you making profitable withdrawals? Now, but based on research and based on statistics, price action has proven itself to be the #1 best strategy in the world. Yeah, but what makes you unstoppable is when you combine a little bit of SMC, like I do, a little bit, but basically your price action. If you look at your big traders that you have out there, yeah, before it's Jeffrey Benson, the Dr. Wheels, they all use price action. Show me an SMC trader that is successful. They no pass two or one. But show me a price action trader that is successful. They are plenty. So the statistics have already told everybody, that told us what it actually says. So they say if you don't get evidence, you explain. So we already have an evidence that the price action is what pays more than every other strategy that you have out there. Okay. Which other question do we have? And Joshua said, "Go hard or go home." You want to play that song for me? I'm new to your life, oh, sir. Not a problem. Please, sir. How many months can someone focus on learning before you start trading? But if you're very fast, 1 month is good for you to learn. That's what we do in the first media. 1 month or 1.5, then you start to trade. Start trading life. Okay. Now, who build house? They go home. Welcome back, Odogu. All right. Do we pay for the Insta funded account? No, the thing will drop on Sky. Yeah, it will drop from Sky. That there's the Insta funded account, there's evaluation, but wait, you answering this question shows that you've not learned Forex. Focus on the learning. Capital is not the problem. Capital is not the problem. Imagine using a $39 to get a $1,000. That's not massive. The Google will say that's crazy, baby. All right. So what about the interview? Which interview again? Oh, okay. The one that actually had intent trade. Okay, it's supposed to be released. Most likely, it's going to be released this week or next week, April. Is journal like wetin be this? This journaling. Hey, Sammy Forest, what are you typing? No go swear for me. Oh. I grew $10 last week to $200. That's massive, baby. Sir, do you recommend a profile account or real account for a newbie? Well, two of them are not bad, the newbie, but I give a very simple advice. The advice is do not store money in your profile account. See your profile account like where you generate money, like your oil, where you took hand and fund your real account. The real deal is your real account, okay? Your real account. So don't store profit in your prop accounts. Once you have profit, you withdraw. Don't waste time. Withdraw your money, then fund your real account to trade. Ensure that you are growing your real accounts massive, okay? The day I'll meet you face to face, I'll go on my knees for you to lay hands on me. Some grace needs to be impacted. You're already gotten and impacted grace. Don't worry about that. My rib, so which one be it will drop from sky? Boss, this violence is not good for your health. Make income PH before Ghana. Oh, okay. Okay, based on the matter. I don't tell una say if you want make I come some location like places in Nigeria, just arrange like 7 million for event and logistics. Many of you pass am now. Many of you, Peter fit just give us like 4 million, maybe. Where's that boy? Testimony. If you give us like 3 million now, we go use run the event. Then Okai, I know it be like person wey dey for Port Harcourt. If you just do like 10 million for us, you understand? If you host the event, give out funded accounts. We have powerful people in this place, very powerful people that have made it in life in forex trading. Okay, please, is that MetaTrader 5 working? Because the one here on my phone is 4. Please, why so? Okay, 4. Well, MetaTrader 4 is still okay, but MetaTrader 5 is an upgraded version of the Meta 4. Upgraded version of the Meta 4. Okay, so don't forget that it's an upgraded version of Meta 4. So I use Meta 5 very well. Okay, I don't use Meta 4. It looks old to me. Anyway, but that does not mean you cannot use your Meta 4. You can use your Meta 4. It's not bad. All right, boss, how can I still go through this video tomorrow? You can. It's made available on the YouTube channel. I end this stream, you will see it automatically on our YouTube channel. All right, I think that'll be all for now. So I say, sir, do fast marry, make we get Mrs. FS Media. You tell you say I never marry. I don't marry you. I don't born 15 children like this. You don't know before. Like 3 self don't born. They don't born like 3. Again, so I'll be grandpa. Okay? Don't worry about that one. Say Mrs. FS. Mrs. FS Media don't really take now. Your sister do if na marry, she fine, she dark, she caramel, she be like woman, 100% woman. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not gonna say it on global, what we're streaming globally. Okay, so hope she's 100% woman. If you did, if you send us picture. You may start something from there. Thank you so much for today's lecture, boss. All right, thank you, Augustine. Okay, please, sir. How many months can someone focus on learning forex trading? I've answered this question before. 1 month, 2 months, but you learn over time. But the first month, second month, you should start trading real account. But you develop better and better over time. All right, you don't stop learning. And the important part is that as long as you're learning the right thing, that is how your money is increasing. As long as you are trading a real account and you are profitable. Okay, boss, which of the broker do you use? Lucky. Are you just coming? This one I say, which of the broker do I use? I just coming, or you are a new person? Maybe you are scrolling through YouTube, then you saw FS Media streaming live. You just join. If you see FS Media, I have seen 10 trade. You should know that that is the broker I use. Once you see FS Media, you see 10 trade. Come on, I'm an ambassador. I've told you guys this before. In case you don't know, last month, look at the check that was given. I was signed into 10 trade with a 42 million naira guy. So I'm a 10 trade ambassador, not just an ordinary person. There's a difference between a partner and ambassador. Okay, so my leg strong over for 10 trade. Okay, so when you're talking about broker, you know that using 10 trade. When you go to FS Media website, www.fsmediatrade.com, you scroll down, you see 10 trade. Under 10 trade, you have join in. So you join now. Once you click join now, you can actually register and get an account for yourself. Verify with your NIN and proof of address. Proof of address can be gotten from your bank statements. Okay. Say why is Monday your resting day? It's my choice now. Our certificate, but I told you guys fill the form. I want to ensure that everybody has filled their form between I think yesterday I dropped it, right? Yesterday till around Tuesday. Then you start processing it on Wednesday or by Friday. So by weekend, people start receiving their certificate. Those people that have graduated. Okay. Thank you so much. That will be all for now. I want to ensure that you guys are actually making profitable withdrawals from the market and you actually do so well in trading this week. All right. So last now they make money now before they shut down. You understand? Make profitable withdrawals and not blown accounts. Okay. So guys, I can't wait to see many of you keep winning, keep getting better at what you do in trading. I always say that now give up for up. So if you give up now, you don't fuck up in that though. So you get to see a lot of testimonies on my status. So those people that get to drop their testimonies, they don't have two heads. It's one head that they have. Same with me. It's only one head they are seeing, except for headphone that has two ear. Okay. So guys, keep pushing, keep getting better. Keep striving. Push hard. But don't push too much so that you don't fall and break your teeth. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much. See you in the next live. I've that's a yes, next live like YouTube live, not next live like another app or something. No, next YouTube live. All right, guys.